COVID-19 crisis changed the way we look at our lives. From forcing us to read news on mobile to meet people on videos. This change helped us not just to save cost but also time. This inspired us to launch a fund that will benefit from the change. Presenting Motilal Oswal Equity Opportunities Fund Series 2, a multi-cap fund. The construction of the portfolio will be based on 5 core themes: return of intermediation, health is new wealth, winners in mini India, bullwhip impact, and companies that help us to be self-reliant. Starting with Dr. Ranjan's drive on recognizing NPA and the IBC code, the health of corporate India has improved significantly, owing to credit standards getting tightened. Corporates had no choice but to deliver in order to survive. The banks are now sitting on over 7 trillion of liquidity, which gives them a lot of rooms to lend with good margins. Post demonetization, mutual funds took in a large amount of flows, which led to massive disintermediation drive. This led to significant decrease in market share as pricing power went away for the smaller banks. As liquidity has now moved from the mutual funds to banks, the pricing power is back with the large banking sector. As and when the economy revives and subsequently the credit growth, it should benefit the broader banking sector. The second theme is based on the healthcare sector: insurance, pharmaceuticals, hospitals, and diagnostics. As the Indian population is expected to get older in the coming years and the mortality fear induced by COVID-19 will lead to growth in the healthcare spend on an average by 17% top line. The third theme is based on the consumer discretionary sector. In the year 2010, 80% of the Indian population was poor, and in 2018, it reduced to 53%. And is expected to go further down to 38%. In the coming years, the largest segment of Indian population will be middle class, driving the consumption. Within the consumer discretionary sector, we will invest in the premium segments, which are under-penetrated and have the potential to growth, such as clothes, cookies, cosmetics, luggage, and so on. The fourth theme is based on the manufacturing concept. We will invest in companies which has the caliber to meet the sudden increase in the demand. However, these companies should have net cash to survive through bad markets, and their product line has longevity. The fifth theme is inspired by the change in the consumer behavior during the current crisis. We will invest in companies that will help us to be self-reliant: home loans, insurance, digital, and so on. Each theme will grow in different pace. Well-being and value for life will ensure faster and widespread adoption. Banks will come out stronger after the initial fears that we are experiencing. Discretionary consumption and capex cycles will get delayed, but they are perishable. We will use our stock picking process to identify companies from the 5 themes. Good quality companies with growth potential and longevity advantage at a reasonable price. Invest now in Motilal Oswal Equity Opportunities Fund Series 2 and make the most of the crisis.